Dr. M. Vishwanathan, a visionary and the founder of M.V.Hospital for Diabetes at Royapuram, has served humanity at large in the field of diabetes, and he is considered as the father of diabetology in India. A man of incessant zeal, enthusiasm and humility combined with leadership qualities and ideals, Dr. Vishwanathan's patriotism became publicly evident when he hoisted the Indian tricolour at the prestigious Stanley Medical College Hostel during the agitation of the Quit India movement in 1942. After 50 years of relentless crusade in diabetes research and care, he passed away on 1st March 1996, leaving behind a tradition in diabetic care revered by many in the field. Professor M. Vishwanathan ensured that the Diabetic Centre was converted into a full-fledged diabetic hospital in the year 1971. Today, it's a 100-bedded hospital and recognized internationally as a major centre for tertiary care for reference of diabetic patients requiring super specialist opinion and management. What with 200,000 patients registered till date.
The M.V.Hospital for Diabetes at Royapuram has pioneered diabetes research for the past 50 years, starting with the contributions of Professor M. Vishwanathan way back in the 1950s. And has therefore been designated as the World Health Organization Collaborating Center for Research, Education and Training in Diabetes.
Department for Diabetes Education ensures that all people with diabetes are fully educated about diabetes and its management. Department for Nutrition and Diet. The department's trained dietitians provide individualized diet counseling, nutritional assessment for both inpatients and outpatients, and render advice to them as appropriate, helping them to adopt healthy eating habits. Department for Prevention of Diabetes. This department functions to identify high-risk individuals and family members of patients and monitors them closely for early detection of biochemical abnormalities, glucose intolerance for intervention at an early stage. Clinical Laboratory. The department has the accreditation of NABL for specialized investigative procedures in biochemistry, microbiology, serology, hematology and clinical pathology. Department of Biochemistry. A 24-hour biochemical investigative procedural test center for conducting kidney, liver function, blood glucose, electrolytes, hormone tests and blood lipid profiles is well equipped with state-of-the-art analytical equipments. Diabetic Eye Care. A state-of-the-art digital fundus camera takes care of the requirements of fundus fluorescein angiography, laser delivery systems for diabetic retinopathy, and a well-equipped operation theatre for suture-less small incision cataract surgery and IOL implantation are in place. M.V. Centre for Diabetic Foot Care, Podiatry, Research and Management. This department includes a podiatry section, a section for education on foot care and a modern wound care clinic to deal with foot problems like nail problems, callus and infections in the foot. With technical assistance from CLRI, Chennai, novel footwear which prevents high pressure from developing under the feet of diabetic patients is manufactured at an in-house manufacturing facility at the Royapuram Centre. The Department of Preventive Diabetic Kidney Disease identifies patients who are at high risk of kidney disease and monitors them at regular intervals. The Department of Dental Care for Diabetic Patients caters to the problems related to chronic periodontitis, which is considered as the sixth complication of diabetes mellitus. The Department of Heart Evaluation conducts non-invasive investigations like echo, treadmill for cardiac functions and ischemia. Madhaviyamma Trust. Late Professor Vishwanathan established the Dr. Madhaviyamma Trust in the name of his late mother for the underprivileged who could not otherwise get adequate care for diabetes. This clinic has grown in leaps and bounds as a philanthropic activity and commitment for social upliftment. To generate statistical data as per prevailing international norms and standards, the Medical Records Department is adequately equipped for storage, retrieval and indexing of records, thereby assisting data management for research studies. World Health Organization has designated M.V.Hospital for Diabetes as a collaborating center for research, education and training in diabetes, which is a part of an institutional collaborative network set up by WHO in support of its plan of actions for control and prevention of diabetes mellitus by evolving appropriate programs at country, inter-country, regional, inter-regional and at global levels. WHO also sponsors fellows, doctors and nurses for training at this prestigious center. Publication of over 750 original research findings of the work done at the center, out of which over 300 have been published in many reputed peer-reviewed international diabetes journals. In the interest of public health, the center ensures appropriate translation of research findings. The Department of Biotechnology is engaged in taking up genetic studies for identifying diabetic susceptibility genes. The center employs concepts of total quality management and sees itself as one of the most prominent centers in the quest for quality diabetes healthcare, providing curative, preventive and evidence-based medicine through state-of-the-art technology.
The mission statement of our founder, Professor M. Vishwanathan, was that every person with diabetes should be helped to lead his normal span of life in health. All the staff at the M.V.Hospital for Diabetes at Royapuram strive to fulfill this mission statement of our founder, Professor M. Vishwanathan.